If you enjoy visiting other people's gardens and get lots of inspiration doing that like I do, I'm inviting you to join me now for a tour of this backyard garden. I found it in my neighborhood when I drove by a big handmade sign, A to Z, organic vegetables and flower plants. I got curious, got out of my car, and asked to film the garden. The owner gave me this tour, except he did not want to be on camera.
Just a planter box that we put together, so I do all my starter seeds in there, and I do carrots and strawberries and stuff like in the boxes.
Did you build it yourself?
Yeah, and there's a wire on the bottom, so the gophers can't come in.
Yeah.
So
do you have a lot?
It. No, I kill them all.
You kill?
I trap them all. Yeah.
You trap?
Yeah, I got a black trap that sees them all. Matter of fact, I trap them for people too. $20 a gopher.
Really?
Yeah. I just caught one the other day, right down the street.
Okay.
Yeah. And then those are green beans on the trellises, and I got tomatoes, avocado tree, apple tree, orange tree.
That one? The little
avocado.
one? And it survives here in Northern California?
Yeah, it looks like it is. I got a friend down the street who has one that's bigger than that tree.
So do you have fruit of this little tree?
Not yet, but I'm hoping this year or the next year. Usually it takes a few years. This is the second year.
Right.
But I have a friend that has the same kind that's like 35 foot tall that lives down the street.
Wow.
Yep.
So it's going to be a big tree.
Oh yeah, it could get 25 foot, 15 foot wide.
And you're going to get shade, huh?
Yeah, if I live that long. And then I got potatoes on the inside. And then white onions on the outside. Grow the
Who
yellow.
are these little things?
They're a bunch of tomatillas. They're from last year's volunteers. I'll probably pull most of them out.
Ah.
But I'll leave some of them go because there's room, and when the potatoes are done.
Yeah. So tell me, do you have to buy any food, any veggies?
Oh yeah, I do. You know, in the
really
in the winter time. But I mean, like most of the time, we just eat what comes out. You know, I got asparagus. I got sugar peas.
Right.
2 weeks from now, I'll have green beans, zucchini. Then I won't buy any vegetables, put it that way. But
nice.
Some fruit, maybe.
Right.
You know, but I got raspberries, blueberries, strawberries. So
beautiful.
I grow very little.
That is a blueberry.
That's a line behind here is a Myers lemon.
Yeah.
That is just one tree.
Yeah. There are lemons still there. Nice.
Yep, and the new ones
beautiful.
are already setting on.
This is all one tree?
Yep. Matter of fact, I got to trim it back because it's taking over my walking space.
Yeah.
So I'm going to cut this off.
Oh, it's happy.
Like that. Oh yeah. Well, a lot of it is it gets some of the water. Oh, there goes my snake. Do you see him?
No.
Oh, there it goes. Just went behind the blue barrel. One down there. There's lots of them. Because when you get a garden this size, you get a lot of predators that are going after the bugs too. You know,
right.
It's part of a food chain.
Well, hopefully no rattlesnakes.
No, there's no. Oh, shoot! I got stuff everywhere.
Well, but, that's normal in my mind. And you just sell extras, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of expense to doing all this work, watering, whatever. So you might as well get some of your money back. I got yellow tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. Got heirloom tomatoes, beefsteaks, jalapenos, cucumbers, flowers.
So how long you been in this place here?
32 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
I got giant sunflowers, you name it. I got strawberries. Just about anything anybody would want to put in the garden. Mostly the stuff I like the most is what I grow. And then where people don't buy, I put it in my... But anyway, that's pretty much how it started. My dad would garden. He had about an acre on the dam road. And
around here?
Yeah, right here in El Sobrante. And he'd make me work in the garden, so I just said, well, I want to grow my own stuff. And I was like about 8 years old, I think.
Oh yeah?
And he goes, okay, well, I'll give you this space here. And
so did you have some favorites or just
back then I grew corn. I never grow corn anymore. But my dad never grew corn. Now I know why. Because you get like 1 or 2 ears You spend all that water and you can go get 4 of them just as good at the store for $1.
Right.
So I grow this stuff where I get lots of stuff like beans,
And I bet
cucumbers,
you grew it because
tomatoes.
your dad didn't grow that.
Exactly.
Right? So you wanted something different,
yeah.
right?
I always used to ask. I love, corn. So,
Uh-huh.
but and then I figured out why. Why grow something that costs you more to grow than what you can buy it for?
Yeah,
So,
that's the thing. You can't really get rich off growing vegetables.
Not really, but you can have a good time, and it's good for you to do it.
Yeah, you have
And-
you already,
and-
it's early in the summer. You already have a great suntan.
And you can control your own food chain because the
It's
food
true.
chain's tainted from the chicken, hormone fed, and whatever. And quite frankly, I don't think it's good for people.
Yeah.
And so if you grow your own, you can control what you do.
Yeah.
And
Frankly, if you tasted your own vegetable that you grew,
like for instance, pull your own carrot out and you wash it, and you can eat it, and it tastes completely different than.
that might sell.
It's good. Oh, for sure. People always looking for basil.
Yes.
I try to. That's why I got new ones going. I try to time it so they're ready when my tomatoes are ready. So I can have tomatoes with basil. I have my own onions, my own garlic, and make my own salads.
Yeah. Nice. Really nice.
I hate the mess, but I'm so busy. I work 10 hours a day, and I don't got time to do everything. I got to have some time to lay around. So.
Most creative things came out of mess.
Yeah.
And that's inevitable. Inevitable if you want to create anything.
Yeah.
You're gonna get it's gonna get messy.
Mm-hmm.
I hope visiting this garden with me proved inspiring and entertaining for you. So if you want to join me for more gardening adventures, then you can subscribe to the Authentic Gardening channel, and we can find out together how gardening is fun and natural way of living on this planet.